Well, hello there, everyone. Hi there. It's Nancy Fox, the Business Fox, and it's the end of the 4th of July weekend. So I hope you all had a fantastic holiday and a wonderful celebration for our nation's birthday. I certainly did. It was really quite beautiful here in California, and I'm so grateful. In fact, what was a really nice surprise for me was I was actually able to see a whole series of fireworks right from my terrace, So I was watching this fireworks go off, and then the next set, and then the next set. There were like four sets of fireworks going off, and I could see them right from my terrace, which was really a cool experience and a real gift. And yeah, so anyway, I'm here with you on the Sunday before the new week starts, and I wanted to share something I'm going to be launching this week. I'm really quite excited about it, and it came as a result of, most of you know that I specialize in working with professionals and with executives and entrepreneurs who are 50 and over and are either leaving jobs, who have lost jobs, who are changing careers, or people who already have started businesses but they're not flourishing the way that they want. And I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of inquiries from folks who are over 50 who have already started or even have ongoing consulting or training or coaching businesses, or training businesses, or other service professionals who have been asking me how they can actually take their businesses and grow without more stress, how they can scale more easily. They're expressing to me a lot of frustration that they're burnt out, that they're working very long hours, and they're doing a lot of work in their marketing, networking, following up, sending proposals, having follow-up meetings with people, and it's taking them quite a bit of time to meet the right people, to get through the gatekeepers, to have the follow-up meetings, the presentations, and then all of that proposal writing, and it's taking them, sometimes it's months to land an ideal client. And while it's really a great client, at the end of the day, it's very time-consuming. And so they're asking me some questions about how they can scale their businesses more easily. And I really understand it, because that's exactly what happened to me when I came to California from New York. I had a wonderful network, and I was building a network from scratch, and it took a lot of time and a lot of effort. It was very, very time-intensive and very laborious. And while I loved the people that I was working with, it just took a long time. With one client, it took over a year to close the business, and I said, this is crazy. There's got to be an easier way to scale a great business, and a business that you love and where you feel you're being purposeful and effective. And it's also really important to be working with the right people and feeling like you're working with the right caliber of folks that fit you and that you fit them. So what I began to research for myself was, a methodology which would allow me to serve more people, less stress, close more ideal business sooner, and be able to scale my business and not be so burnt out, and to love the people that I'm working with, and to have them resonate and decide to jump in way more quickly. So along the way, I did come up with this solution, and in under a year, while I was still working with my current client base, I was able to actually layer in an additional six-figure business in 9 months. And it's a wonderful process. I really, really love it. And I love the people that I'm working with. They're amazing. So if you are an experienced but burnt out consultant or trainer or service professional or a coach, and you love your business, but you can't scale it any further, you can't increase your prices any further, you can't make more money without working really, really harder, more hours. It's more like a labor-intensive kind of structure or model, and you really would love to scale it in a different way, and you'd like freedom to be able maybe you'd really like the freedom to work from either home or wherever you want in the world. Maybe you want to travel and you want to be able to continue to build your business. That's what I was able to do. And, you know, I went to Europe for 2.5 weeks last year, and my ideal leads kept coming in. And it was really a beautiful thing. And it was a very cost-effective process. We're not talking about spending enormous amounts of money and enormous amounts of time. I didn't have to do a lot of social media posting. In fact, I did none. And I didn't have to do any networking, like zero, no live networking. Now, you all know that I've written the book on networking, and I'm certainly an advocate of relationship building. But there are many, many ways to cut the cake, so to speak. And I'd love to share my strategies. There are 5 key steps that you must take, crucial steps that you must take if you would like to transform your stressful, time-intensive, labor-intensive service business, whether you're a consultant or a trainer or a speaker or a coach or a service professional. There are 5 things you got to do to transform your business, and the ultimate goal for you is to be able to scale it. I found that the best way to do it is to be able to transform my business and be able to serve more people in less time with equal or greater effectiveness, and be able to attract high-ticket clients and be able to do this with just the right people and close more business sooner. So if you're interested in learning about how I did that and how you might be able to do that, I've created a special new workshop training that's free, and I'd love to share it with you. And it's 40 minutes, so it's the best 40 minutes you're ever going to spend on learning how to scale your business with greater ease, less time, earn more, and have a lot more freedom. So if you're interested in that, I'd love to share it with you. And I'm going to post, the link is www.thebusinessfox.com/bring online. That's right, you're going to bring your business online. It's really a beautiful thing. And I'm going to post the link below, but I'd love to share this with you. And I'd love to hear your experiences and what you've gained out of this special workshop that I've created just for you, especially if you are over the age of 50 and you believe that you're not techie enough or that you need to learn how to be a social media maven. Not true. I am not any of those things. I'm not social media savvy, and I'm definitely not techie. And if I can do it, you can do it. So I'd love to share it with you. Thank you guys for letting me be with you at the end of the weekend. And I will look forward to seeing you on the workshop. So www.thebusinessfox.com/bring online. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.